I'm Jen and I'm in Littlehampton. I'm a full-time mum and we've just recently finished renovating the whole house, and this was the final piece of the puzzle really. So we purchased the Fern white gloss table, which is a 6-seater with 6 of the Finn dining chairs and then 3 Finn bar stools. We really wanted a 6-seater table, and it had to work for our kitchen, so it had to be the right size and everything. And we really wanted something really high gloss, so it was a real wow factor. And I just found it on the website and I just thought it's perfect. What we liked about the Finn was that it's all sort of one piece, so it's not going to get covered in crumbs and dirty fingerprints. It's really easy to keep clean. And we like the fact that it had a mixture of wood in it as well, so it made it a bit more warm and Scandi style. It's changed our home completely. Having the bar stools means that I can be cooking and my daughter can be doing her homework and she's sat with us. We just spend our whole time out here now. It's comfortable as well. You could sit here for hours and yeah, we just absolutely love it. The dining table is again really easy to keep clean, so when the kids are baking or doing Play-Doh, just wipe straight off. There's no little nooks and crannies. And even the same with the chairs. You know, in our old furniture, we used to lose coins and crayons and things down the side, but these are just fab. Yeah, really good for the kids. From the moment I first went on the website, when I was looking at the reviews, I just thought everyone gave such good reviews, and it just seemed like a really trustworthy company. And then I ordered some samples for the colours of the dining chairs, just to make sure it matched our paint in our kitchen. And like 2 days later, I had an email saying, just make sure you got your samples okay, is everything all right, have you got any questions? It just seemed so personal, and I really felt like I was going to be a valued customer, and I just, yeah, had to use Danetti. We had no concerns when we were browsing. All of our questions were answered, all the measurements were really clear, and everything was just really accessible on the website. You could see all the different colours, and the colours were true to life as well on the website, so we really were full of trust for Danetti. The delivery was great because we had sort of a small time slot, because I was worried about missing the delivery for school runs and things like that, and I've got a toddler who likes to go out and about all the time, so it was nice to know that we only had to sit in for an hour or so, and yeah, it was absolutely spot on. I couldn't fault my experience from Danetti. It was absolutely perfect. I'd definitely recommend you to anyone.